It's not hard to stay ready because it's a discipline. It takes a certain sort of person to be able to do it. Some seasons we might go 2 or 3 months and not have an incident. Other years, 11 wildfires in one day from this tower. The normal reaction when I see a fire is quickly establish where it is, and if possible, I'll contact another tower, or 2 towers is better. I've got something down in Jerusalem Creek that can give me a cross bearing onto the fire. If I get on the radio, everyone puts their ears up, and when you tell them, they know it's action.
Alex, ICC receiving.
I think I've got a smoker in the Jerusalem Creek Valley.
Yeah, roger, we'll see what we can do. Did you get that, Ben? There's a smoke sighting from Eildon Tower at 130 degrees and 245 from Bulla.
On a high-risk day, it's really important, firstly, to have the right people in the right place at the right time. People in incident control centres, regional control centres, and across the top of all of that at the state control centre.
The organisation at the regional level does an assessment of the weather conditions for the coming days.
So with that front on Tuesday, it will reach the southwestern parts of Victoria.
And decides that an incident management team needs to be formed up to be in readiness to respond to fires. Okay, Matt, if you could get on to Kev, we probably want a crew of half a dozen, probably get the D4 rolling. And I reckon, Ben, if you could organise some aircraft.
Ballarat Air Base, Mick Keating.
Once the call comes in, we do a briefing between the personnel, the pilot and myself.
We've got a dispatch, 556.
Any other aircraft up?
At this stage, no.
There's a real importance on getting the messages out to the community about where fires are, what they're doing.
Fire danger is high in the Mallee and the Wimmera, and low to moderate across the rest of the state. Looking at FDI of 23 is the highest.
We're always keeping that situational awareness. We're always looking at fire web, just keep an eye on what's going on. The main advantage of being of Avalon is the ability for us to support the large air tankers.
Fire retardant is a powder that's mixed with water. We have product mixed ahead of time so that we can load the aircraft straight away.
We have to make sure that all the inspections are up to date and any outstanding defects on the aircraft are all taken care of so that it always is in good shape for the pilots to fly.
Being at a heightened state of readiness for the day is hard work. You're constantly paying attention to the weather, where crews are, what resources are available.
We make sure all our gear's on the vehicles, we're ready to go. We've got that goal that we can just go get what we need, get ourselves organised and get to the job.
7 days a week, 24 hours a day, 365 days of the year, even right through all of the public holidays, Christmas, New Year, Easter, someone is on duty to support Victorians in case there's an incident.